Alright, alright. How's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the KMASHI 10,000 milliamp hour battery bank. So, real quick though, before we get into the package, I want to send a big shout out to Andrew Kelly for recommending that I bring this in and do some videos on it for you guys. So big shout out to Andrew Kelly, and I will have links to Andrew Kelly's YouTube channel down below in the video description, as well as links to where you guys can pick this battery bank up for a really good price. Alright, so that being said, let's go ahead and get into this package. Now I picked this guy up via Amazon, and I already cut all the tapes and plastic off camera because you guys, I don't like when you guys see me struggle, and it makes it a little bit faster as well. So real quick before we crack the package, I just gotta say I really do like this packaging. Very minimal branding on the front, no branding on the sides. All right. And on the back, you just have the basic information you need along with a barcode. So you can see it's the KMASHI 10,000 milliamp hour battery bank here. And the model number is MP816. Alright? So really good stuff. And then you can also see they have their website as well and some FCC information and made in China. So really clean, really simple, really straightforward. I like that. Now, cracking the package, flipping back this tab here, you can see up front we have the battery bank itself, nice little plastic sleeve. Then we have a what's this, like a thank you card, business card? Yeah. So it says connect with us, and then you have all of KMASHI's contact information. So they have a YouTube page, they have their website, and then they have their support email. And you got your barcode scan for the YouTube page as well. And then on the other side, you just got the company's logo. Like that, really clean, really straightforward, good stuff. Throw this off to the side. Alright, then we have the user manual. And you guys know how I feel about user manuals when it comes to battery banks. It's really important that you read these user manuals when it comes to battery banks, because batteries is something that we don't play with. So you really need to read these, and really, this way you know what's in store when you pick up something like that. So something like this. I said like that. We're going to go through this in a minute here. Put this off to the side real quick. And then we have a micro USB charging cable. So standard USB to micro USB. Small little charging cable. I got a bunch of these. I may not even use this one, but really nice to see that they included that. So good stuff. And it doesn't look like there's anything else in the package. Alright, so let me throw this off to the side. Let's get this box out of here. Alright. Now, let's get to that in a second. Let's go through this user manual here, because this stuff is really important. So up front, you just see a picture of the power bank, and then you have the, it says external battery, so power bank, battery bank, whatever you want to call it. Then you have the full model number here, which is KMP816. Alright, then cracking it open, let's get it all the way open. Yeah, because I figured it's one of those big ones. Then you have just your basic information about the battery bank here. So feel free to pause and read this for yourself. I'm going to get a nice big close-up. And let me go over some of the important information. So again, we have the model number right down there. We have the capacity. Then we have the input for the charging. So 5 volts at 2 amps. And then we have the outputs for the separate ports. So port 1 is 5 volts at 1 amp, and port 2 is 5 volts at 2.1 amps. Then we have the dimensions. Then we got the weight, which is 290 grams. Then we got the storage temperature. So if you're not going to use it for a while, make sure you keep it in the temperature, or a room in the temperatures as listed there, so you don't degrade the battery. Then we got the light indicators. So 4 lights on means you're between 75% and 100%, so full charge or 75%. 3 lights on means you're between 50% and 75%. 2 lights means you're between 25% and 50%. 1 light means you're either dead or at 25%. So I can pretty much tell y'all off the back right now, I'm pretty much not gonna like that. You guys know, if you checked out any of my other battery bank videos, I really don't like LED indicators for battery. I really enjoy having the percentage, but it is what it is, and that's how they did it, so I have to live with that. Up next, we just have another diagram letting you know where everything is. So the LED indicators, the power button, the micro USB charging port, so on and so forth. And then they tell you the estimated charge time of the battery bank here, which is 6.5 hours or 6 hours and 50 minutes, depending on how you read that. And then we just got some other information here about charging it and the LED indicators. Then we got some maintenance information over here. So y'all can, again, feel free to pause and read for yourselves. And then on the back here, what do we have? So matters need attention. So matters that need attention right there. Again, pause and read for yourself. And then down below, we got the basic info stuff there. Version, copyrights, all that stuff. And again, company website down at the bottom. Get that to focus up, and that pretty much does it for the user manual. So let me try and wrap this back up real quick. And of course I messed it up, because anytime I rush, these things happen. It is what it is. Throw it off this side. Alright, now for the main event, the battery bank here. So let's just slide this out of sleeve. Alright, now let's do a real quick walk around, and I'm going to give you guys my first impressions, and we're going to wrap this up. So, walking around the battery bank here, got a nice little company branding up top. So it says KMASHI, and I'm again, or not again, but I could tell you guys, I really do like the color scheme. So real nice black and red on this guy. So we got the company branding on top. On this side, we have the micro USB charging port, the power button, and the LED indicator lights. On this side, as stuff goes flying off my bed because of my fan, on this side, we have the ports. So you can see the 2 USB charging ports. So we got port 1 down here and port 2 right there. Yep. And on this side, we got nothing. On this side, we got nothing as well. And then on the back, we got more information here. So again, nice little company branding, KMASHI, model number again, capacity, ports, input, ports, outputs, and more little information, and again, made in China. So basic stuff. Now that pretty much does it for the walk around. Now for my first impressions, gotta say I like the look, I like the color scheme, and I like the fact that the battery bank has a nice little weight to it. So good stuff there, really good stuff, and I think I'm really gonna enjoy using this already. Probably some negatives that I probably don't like already is the fact that we don't have a percentage indicator. We have LED lights, but it is what it is. Okay, so that pretty much does it for the unboxing and first impressions of the KMASHI 10,000 milliamp hour battery bank. Now, again, real quick before I wrap this up, I just want to again send a big shout out to Andrew Kelly for recommending this, and the full review for this should be out in probably a week and a half to 2 weeks from the posting of this video. But keep in mind that this one has to get in line, and I do have some other stuff that I'm reviewing before I get to this. So if you're going to do it in order, let me run through the order here. I have to finish up the, let me call universal stand. Then I have to do the lapel clip-on microphone review. All right. And then, what do we got to do after that? Got the, yeah. And then I got the S-Bode Bluetooth speaker to do. All right. And then there is the other stuff that I unboxed. So we got some Bluetooth headphones over there. We got another Bluetooth speaker over there. I can't remember the names at this moment. I got a ton of stuff to do. And then we'll probably get to this. So we got a bunch of videos lined up before we get to this. But if everything goes well, the full review of this should be out in week and a half to 2 weeks from the posting of this video, if I can get everything done right. But that pretty much does it for this unboxing and first impressions. If you guys and gals enjoyed the video, please help your boy out and give it a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you want to see more raw, uncut content like this, please be sure to hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you get notified every time I post new videos. And again, if this video has piqued your interest and you feel like you want to pick it up before the full review comes out, all links to where to purchase this guy, exactly how you see it here, will be down below in the video description. So please check that out if this video has piqued your interest. As well as if you want to check out Andrew Kelly's YouTube channel, links to his YouTube channel will be down below in the video description as well. I believe he does game reviews, gameplay videos, all that good stuff like that. Really good stuff on that channel, and he goes live all the time. So check him out. I have links to his YouTube channel down below in the video description as well. And as always, guys and gals, if you guys know anyone out there looking for some high quality, affordable devices and products at some really great prices, please share with them my channel, because I'm doing this for everyone, because we all deserve the best. Oh, real quick before I get out of here, this whole video was being recorded using the rare 13 megapixel, slow down son, the rare 13 megapixel camera on the LG Stylo 3 at full HD 1080p 30 frames per second. So all the video you see and all the audio has been recorded using the cameras and the microphones on the LG Stylo 3. So please be sure to let me know down in the comments how the video looks and how the audio sounds. Alright, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Peace.